This is inside of my fridge. This is going to be day 4 of the declutter your house in 31 days. And so we're going to get started on cleaning out this fridge and wiping it all down. Alright, this was pretty much everything that was in my fridge. Okay, so everything's put up nice and neat. A lot of you are freaking out over those vegetables. I'm actually going to take those out and then I'll cut them up and put them in some containers so that we can use them all week. And I'm going to do some food prep and fill the fridge up. And it looks nice and neat. I'm proud of that. It looks great. If you have any comments that you want to leave, things that I could do better, then please do that below. Like the video and subscribe. I really appreciate you. Thanks. Bye.